Alright, so we're going to find the area, the perimeter and area of this. To find the perimeter, we just add up the sides. So that length is 7. This length is 7. To find this length, we have to use the distance formula, which we did before, which gives us the square root of 113. This length, again, distance formula, the square root of 85. Now to find this length, it is half of a circle. So we take the circumference and divide it by 2. Circumference is pi times the diameter. This is our diameter. To find this distance, again, we have to do the distance formula, and we get the square root of 98. So this length is going to be the square root of 98, or the diameter, times pi, and since it's a half a circle, we're going to divide it by 2. So that's the length of the half circle. So now we can just add up all the sides. So 7 plus the square root of 13 plus the square root of 85 plus the square root of 98 pi divided by 2, and that gives us 49.4 if we round up. And so that's our perimeter. Now to find our area, I'm going to divide this up into different shapes. Here's our half circle. Here we have a triangle and a rectangle, or a square, and another triangle. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different shapes to find the area of. The area of shape 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 7. So that gives us 49. The area of shape 2, it's a triangle, it's 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 1/2, 7 times 7. So it's 49.5. Area 3, well, that is half of a circle. We already found that the diameter was the square root of 98. So our diameter equals the square root of 98. The radius is half of that. So we got half of the square root of 98. And the area of a circle is pi r squared. So it's going to be pi times the square root of 98 divided by 2 squared, and then divided by 2 because it's half of a circle. So that's going to be the area for shape number 3. And then for shape number 4, we have a triangle, so it's going to be 1/2. The base is 14 units long. And since our base is just horizontal left to right, I know that our height is going to be right here. So our height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be 1/2 times 14 times 7, which gives us 49. So now we just add up all of these areas. So when we add up all these areas, we get 160.98 square units. So the area of the shape that's given is 160.98 square units, and that's rounded.